Hello, future chemists. Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of hydrocarbons. Today, we are diving deep into the properties of alkanes for your advanced chemistry. Alkanes are the simplest organic compounds, but their properties underpin much of our modern world. We'll start with the basics, then gradually build up to advanced concepts, tackling competitive level insights along the way. Get ready to explore why these seemingly simple molecules are so vital. Let's kick things off with the easy stuff. We'll uncover the fundamental characteristics that define alkanes. Alkanes exhibit a clear trend in their physical state, boiling, and melting points. Short-chain alkanes, like methane, are gases, while longer chains, like those in paraffin wax, are solids. This progression is directly linked to their molecular weight. As the number of carbon atoms increases, so do the intermolecular van der Waals forces, requiring more energy to overcome. Alkanes are also less dense than water, a property often observed when oil floats on water, and they are famously insoluble in water due to their nonpolar nature, following the like dissolves like principle for solubility. Chemically, alkanes are known for their inertness. They're called paraffins, meaning little affinity. This is because their strong, nonpolar C to C and CH bonds are tough to break under normal conditions. However, their most significant chemical property is combustion. Alkanes burn readily in oxygen, releasing substantial heat, which is why they are indispensable fuels. Complete combustion yields carbon dioxide and water, while insufficient oxygen leads to incomplete combustion, producing toxic carbon monoxide or even soot, along with water. Time to test your understanding. Here are 3 practice questions to solidify what we've just learned about alkane properties. Take a moment to think about the physical state, solubility, and combustion reaction of alkanes. Write down your answers and check your comprehension. Now, let's elevate our understanding. We'll delve deeper into the nuances of alkane properties, exploring how molecular structure influences behavior. Branching significantly impacts an alkane's boiling point. Straight-chain isomers have higher boiling points than branched ones because their extended shape allows for greater surface area contact and stronger van der Waals forces. Branched molecules are more compact, reducing this contact and thus lowering boiling points. However, for melting points, high symmetry in branched alkanes can sometimes lead to more efficient crystal packing, resulting in surprisingly higher melting points. Density-wise, alkanes remain less dense than water, with a gradual increase as molecular weight goes up. Combustion is more than just burning, it's a powerful exothermic process that releases immense energy, making alkanes our primary fuels. We'll look at the general stoichiometry of complete combustion, producing CO2 and H2O, and revisit incomplete combustion, which yields harmful CO and soot. Understanding the environmental impact of these combustion products, like CO2's role in global warming or CO's toxicity, is crucial. From gasoline to LPG, alkanes literally fuel our world. Alkanes, despite their inertness, undergo substitution reactions with halogens like chlorine or bromine under UV light. This process, known as free radical halogenation, is a chain reaction. It starts with initiation, where UV light breaks the halogen molecule into highly reactive free radicals. These radicals then engage in propagation steps, abstracting hydrogens from alkanes and forming halolcanes, all while regenerating more radicals. Finally, termination steps occur when radicals combine. Bromination is notably more selective than chlorination, favoring substitution at more substituted carbon atoms due to radical stability. Alright, it's time to put your medium-level knowledge to the test. Here are 5 practice questions that require you to apply your understanding of branching effects, different combustion scenarios, and the free radical halogenation mechanism. Work through them carefully to deepen your grasp of alkane properties. Ready for a challenge? In this hard section, we'll analyze the theoretical underpinnings of alkane properties, connecting them to fundamental chemical principles. The physical properties of alkanes are deeply rooted in intermolecular forces, primarily London dispersion forces. These forces increase with molecular size and surface area, explaining the rise in boiling points with longer chains. Branching, by reducing surface area, weakens these forces and lowers boiling points. However, melting points are also influenced by crystal packing efficiency. Highly symmetrical molecules, like neopentane, despite having a low boiling point due to weak LDFs, can pack very efficiently into a solid lattice, leading to a relatively higher melting point, showcasing a complex interplay of forces and structure. Combustion is not just a reaction, it's a thermodynamic process characterized by the heat of combustion, a measure of the energy released. We can quantify this using bond energies or enthalpies of formation. Beyond energy, combustion has profound environmental implications. CO2 as a greenhouse gas, so2 from impurities causing acid rain, and unburnt hydrocarbons contributing to smog. The octane number is a critical measure of a fuel's resistance to knocking, with branched alkanes exhibiting higher octane numbers due to their smoother combustion profiles. Let's dive deeper into the free radical halogenation mechanism. The initiation step is endothermic, requiring energy to homolytically cleave the halogen bond. Propagation involves a two-step cycle, hydrogen abstraction by a halogen radical, forming an alkyl radical, followed by halogen abstraction by the alkyl radical. Termination steps end the chain by radical recombination. Crucially, the selectivity of this reaction, particularly the preference for 3 degrees over 2 degrees over 1 degree hydrogens, is governed by the stability of the intermediate alkyl radicals. Bromination is far more selective than chlorination, a difference explained by the Hammond postulate and the relative endothermicity of their H abstraction steps. You've tackled some complex concepts. Now, challenge yourself with these 7 hard-level practice questions. They require you to integrate knowledge about intermolecular forces, thermodynamic calculations, detailed reaction mechanisms, and environmental impacts. Think critically and apply what you've learned. All right, future engineers and research scientists. This is where we push the boundaries. Get ready to explore the deepest, most competitive aspects of alkane properties, delving into quantitative analysis and industrial applications. Beyond basic trends, alkane melting points reveal fascinating nuances. The even-odd effect in enalkanes, where even-numbered carbon chains often have higher melting points than the subsequent odd-numbered ones, highlights the importance of crystal packing efficiency. This occurs because even-numbered chains can align and interlock more effectively in the solid state, leading to stronger lattice forces. This phenomenon underscores that melting point is a complex function of both intermolecular forces and the geometric fit within a crystal lattice, a distinction from boiling point which is primarily governed by intermolecular forces alone. Let's get quantitative with free radical halogenation. Predicting product ratios requires combining the number of equivalent hydrogens with their specific relative reactivities for 1 degree, 2 degrees, and 3 degrees positions. These reactivity ratios are temperature dependent. Higher temperatures reduce selectivity as the kinetic energy overcomes activation energy differences. Bromination, being more selective, offers better control over product formation than chlorination. Furthermore, if a new chiral center is formed during halogenation, the planar nature of the intermediate alkyl radical typically leads to a racemic mixture, an important stereochemical outcome to consider. Combustion is a cornerstone of energy production. From a thermodynamic perspective, the heat of combustion can be precisely calculated using standard enthalpies of formation. Kinetically, it's a highly complex, rapid free radical chain reaction, requiring an initial activation energy. A crucial concept in fuels is the octane number, which quantifies a fuel's resistance to engine knocking, a premature, uncontrolled ignition. Highly branched alkanes, like isooctane, have higher octane numbers because they burn more smoothly, preventing knocking. Understanding these factors is key to designing efficient and reliable fuels. Industrially, alkanes are subjected to pyrolysis or cracking, thermal decomposition into smaller, more valuable hydrocarbons, especially alkenes, via free radical mechanisms. Catalytic cracking achieves this more efficiently at lower temperatures, yielding higher quality gasoline. Reforming is another vital process, converting straight-chain alkanes into branched isomers or aromatics, significantly boosting octane numbers and producing petrochemical feedstocks. Finally, conformational analysis using Newman projections helps us understand the rotational barriers and relative stabilities of different alkane conformations, like anti and gauche for butane, which influence their physical and chemical behavior. You've arrived at the ultimate challenge. Here are the first 5 out of 10 hardest level questions designed to test your comprehensive understanding for G Advanced. These questions demand deep analytical skills, quantitative calculations, and a thorough grasp of mechanisms and theoretical concepts. Take your time, apply all the knowledge you've gained, and strive for precision. And here are the remaining 5 questions for our hardest level. These problems will push your limits, requiring you to synthesize multiple concepts, think critically about industrial processes, and delve into advanced mechanistic details. Remember, mastering these types of questions is key to excelling in competitive exams. Good luck! And that concludes our in-depth exploration of the properties of alkanes. From their basic physical traits to complex free radical mechanisms, combustion thermodynamics, and industrial applications, we've covered a vast and crucial part of organic chemistry. Keep practicing, keep questioning, and continue building your knowledge. For more such comprehensive and engaging content, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons. See you next time.